In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Gmail in dark mode. So I'm here on my computer with Gmail open in my browser, and the first thing I'm going to do is move my mouse to the top right corner of the screen. Up here, I see the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. I click on the settings icon and a panel opens on the right side of the screen with several quick settings options. Inside this panel, I look for the section labeled theme. Under this section, there's an option that says view all. I click on view all and Gmail opens the full theme selection window. Now I can see several different themes available for Gmail. I scroll through the options until I find the dark theme. Once I see it, I click on the dark theme to select it. After selecting the dark theme, I move down and click save. As soon as I click save, Gmail applies the dark theme to the interface. Now the entire Gmail layout switches to dark mode, which can make it easier on the eyes, especially when using Gmail in low light environments. And that's it. I opened Gmail, clicked the settings icon, went to the theme section, selected view all, chose the dark theme and clicked save. Gmail is now set to dark mode.